What can lymphedema therapy do for you? For the numerous people who suffer from this condition, lymphedema therapy means the ability to return to a normal life. This is a debilitating condition for which there is no cure. It will progressively get worse unless the proper therapies are used for relief. If left untreated, lymphedema can result in amputation of limbs and death. Although, as mentioned, there is not a cure, there are methods that have been successful at relieving the pain and pressure of this condition. What is lymphedema therapy? Lymphedema is a condition that causes swelling and pain in the arms and legs. It is due to the lymphatic system failing to work properly. Lymphatic fluid builds up when the lymphatic system does not carry excess fluids to the lymph nodes for removal from the body. Lymphedema therapy, which is a relatively new treatment, uses a pump to simulate the lymphatic system and remove these fluids. What is a lymphedema pump? The pumps have a sleeve that attaches to a machine and is then placed on the affected area. The rhythmic inflating and deflating helps to get the fluid flowing away from the area that is swollen and into the lymphatic system where it can be flushed from the body. As a major breakthrough for those who are suffering from this condition, lymphedema therapy has provided the relief needed to perform everyday tasks. The benefits of lymphedema therapy. There are many benefits realized by people who use these pumps. They do not travel to a therapist for treatment several times a week. The pumps are quiet and can be used while reading, enjoying music, watching television, knitting, or a number of other activities. They are portable and can be moved from room to room. In fact, they are so portable that they can even be taken on vacation to visit relatives or anywhere else that people need to go. Another major advantage is that most insurance companies cover the cost of the pumps. If a physician specifies that a lymphedema pump is medically necessary and verifies this in writing, the majority of insurance companies will pay for the pump. They are also used by many people to stimulate circulation. This is vital for helping wounds to heal. Due to swelling from lymphedema, many people cannot perform routine tasks. Their arms or legs may become so swollen that moving is difficult. Walking from one room to another or dressing themselves and driving or grocery shopping becomes impossible. The mobility is just one issue. The pain from the swollen extremity is another problem. Lymphedema therapy, in effect, gives people back their lives. The everyday tasks that most people take for granted can be performed again. They can do the things that they want to do and do not have to become consigned to sitting constantly. One of the recommended treatments for lymphedema is exercise. With the help of a pump to remove the excess fluid and reduce swelling, they can resume an exercise routine. As a treatment option, lymphedema therapy has provided many people with relief, a new lease on life, and the ability to enjoy the things they used to enjoy. Dramatically improve the quality of your life and successful management of lymphedema with our lymphedema compression pump. We'll work with your doctor and insurance provider for you. Call us today at 855-361-2944.